This is a little video about our trip of Copenhagen. It was a very short one because we decided to book the ticket at the 6 and the 20 in the morning, and for the next day at 5:15. But we really wanted to go there, and it is a city that we always dreamed of. So yeah, this is it. This is the video of some little places we saw, the walks we did during these 2 days in around the city. It was full of surprises, also with the rain. It was beautiful, calm. We loved the people. It was a dream, and yeah, we loved it more than we expected. So I hope you will enjoy these little clips, and you will one day have the opportunity to go there. And I hope this could help to give you an idea of the city and some attraction. Not all, because we didn't have so much time to visit all, but we hope in the future to have the opportunity again to go there, because it really was a beautiful city, and we had a very beautiful time, and yeah, it was amazing. This is Konditori La Glace. I don't know if the pronunciation is right, because I'm Italian, so my English is not so good. So with the Danish, I didn't even try because it's a little bit more difficult. But it was a dream. Also inside, sorry I didn't film it because I was too worried about the cakes that I didn't even think about it. And I really recommend you to go, because also if you have allergies or intolerances, they have a menu inside. You can click on what is the thing that you are worried about, and they give you some recommendation. And this was amazing, because in Italy we don't have menus like this. So for me it was a new thing, and I was so excited. But yeah, there are a lot of bakeries and other places very good all around Copenhagen. But I think this is for his ancient history one to necessary go if you have the time and you are hungry. One thing that I really recommend you to go, if you have the time, is to walk around the parks. There are a lot of them. One of the most famous is the Tivoli Gardens. That is a Luna Park, a very old Luna Park, but it's very nice because there are a lot of restaurants and good place to eat there, and you can have some fun also, because there are roller coaster, not the big ones or scary one, but I think they are very nice and you can be happy trying one of them. But you have playroom, or it's like a little gem inside the city. If you can have fun, sweets, little time off, and yeah, it has beautiful views. It has a lake, and every corner is perfect. It's very curated to the every detail.
proprio qua.
It's a new day. This morning we got up early and to have the whole morning and to go to one of the most famous spots in Copenhagen. The place is Nyvahn. Nyvahn. No, I don't know the right pronunciation, so I will put the name here. But it was wonderful. I really recommend you to go to them in the morning when it's a beautiful day like this one, because the light struck differently. So you have the opportunity, but I think also in the night it will be really magic. In fact, there are a lot of places near there if you have to eat, and I think they are very cute. So another thing, if you have the time and the opportunity to go, I think it could be the National Art History Museum. It's not so central, but not so far away from the center, and it has a lot of beautiful paintings from Danish artists to some modern and contemporary one that are very famous. And I really appreciated the creation of the museum, because it's not so easy to display a lot of beautiful paintings and give them all the space and the attention that it needs, because you know in Europe we have a lot of great artists like everywhere, but you have also important big names and can sometimes take so much space, and there is not more so much for others that deserve as much. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you to see you in another video. Bye.